defies Kaiser? Who defies the Legion? Who defies us? From the desert city of the Mojave to the great dam that will soon be ours. The one who fought in the heat, but now they're frozen in the cold. The one working with the cowardly bear. The one known as the Courier. Now look upon this creature in all of its pathetic false glory. The bear thinks this is their salvation. The one we have in chains. Let us show them how sadly mistaken they were to uphold their trust in this foul insect. Let us show them that nothing will stop the mighty Legion Bull from crucifying the bear. Now let us show the lowly bear what the skin of their best looks like when hanging in the air.